Hi guys, my name is Zakia. I'm a singer, I'm a writer, and this is my YouTube channel where I just like to come on here and talk about whatever is on my heart and on my mind. And today I wanted to talk to you guys about being grateful, and the art of gratitude. I am somebody who's always putting pressure on myself. And if you know anyone who knows me or anyone who's close to me will tell you, I'm always like, what's the next thing I have to do? My career is not what it's supposed to be. I have to do this, I have to get this, I have to get that. And so this past week, I banned myself from watching TV at all till I reached certain goals. So I came home yesterday, I was tired, and then I tried to work. I took my laptop to write because I have a blog, and I ended up on YouTube watching other people doing all the things I dream of. And then just then, I think a light bulb went off in my head, and I was like, hold on, why am I being so hard on myself? I have food to eat, I have a place to stay, I have my own business actually. I run my own business, I'm self-employed, and yes, I might not be rich and famous, but I'm getting there and I'm doing the things I love. I'm able to sing, I'm able to write, I'm able to create content in a way that makes me happy. And so last night was a turnaround where instead of me as usual going down on my knees and praying to God about all the things I wanted, I, for the first time in my life, started counting my blessings. And I really realized how blessed I am. And I didn't even know this. It might be obvious, but I didn't know this. And I think a lot of us will feel like that because we live in a world now where, the motivational speeches are there like, you can do better, you are a goal-getter. It's called goal-getter now, no goal-getter. You can do this, you can do that. You can be the next Mark Zuckerberg, you can be the next millionaire, you can be the next Oprah. And I feel like our generation is under so much pressure because we live in a time of yes, you can. And it's great. Yes, I can. Yes, you can. Yes, we can do anything. And we live in a time where, because of social media and the internet, the world is a small village and anything is possible. And it's put immense pressure on young people because now young people feel like if they don't have certain things at a certain age, then they failed, right? If you don't have a car, you failed. After all, some girl on Instagram is now an Instagram star. If you don't have this, you failed. If you don't have 1 million followers, you failed. And there's so much pressure and even I have been caught in this rat race. And I just wanted to talk to you guys about the fact that I think it's okay to just chill and relax, and it's okay to not be there yet. I mean, dream and have ambition and want all those things, but I think for starters, we need to learn to just be present in the present, and that's why it's called the present. We have the past, it's gone. We have the present, and it's synonymous with gift, and we have the future. And I feel like if you are not here today, if you are not embracing everything that you have today, it's hard to even look forward to the future. And there's a lot to be grateful for. Even if you're looking for a job, if you have a roof over your head, you have food to eat, you have people in your lives, like the little things. Like today, I ate spaghetti. I love spaghetti, right? I played with my kitten. I love my kitten. I had amazing conversation with certain people that I love in my life. And these are the simple pleasures of life. And let me ask you something. Those of you who live in big cities, when was the last time you went out, just stood under the sky and looked up? When was the last time you looked up? When was the last time you looked up at the sky? Then you saw the moon and the stars and the clouds, and you just felt alive. And this is a cliche, but every day above ground level is a win and it's a blessing because every second someone gets buried. So if you and I, if you are watching me, it means you have made it. You don't have to have $1 million or a Range Rover. And we forget, our parents' generation, most of our parents built houses when they were in their 50s or their 60s. So there is no rush. I feel like if you are 20, you are 30, even if you are 40 or whatever age, I feel like just enjoy what you have. And not everyone is going to be a millionaire. That's the first thing. Not everyone is going to be a superstar. Some people are just going to be good parents. Some people are going to be good husbands. Some people are going to be good wives. Some people are going to be good teachers, amazing doctors. And I think it's enough. Just be the best person you are in your little space and draw the happiness from in there. And personally, that's what I'm trying to do. So I'm just this video, I think, is more of a reminder to self to just relax, take it easy, enjoy the little things in life. Go for walks, enjoy the breeze. I love it when it rains. When it rains, I stop everything I'm doing. I just like to stay in bed and watch a movie if ECG gives me lights, right? So just relax and enjoy life. And I saw something on the internet today that a grateful heart attracts miracles. So I think that when you have peace and you have calm and then you are just rooted and you appreciate what you have, then your spirit is open to attracting all the things that you dream about. And I think the best prayer is gratitude. Because how you gonna go on your knees every time, God, I want this, God, I want that, without thanking him first for what you have. So I hope that young people, because I a lot of my friends, a lot of people I know are so depressed, myself included, and so depressed and pressured because we think we are not making it, because the standards now are so high, because we think we have opportunities and we have no excuses. And you read every day of some 19-year-old or 18-year-old who's made $1 million and you think that you have failed. Now, everyone runs a different race. The journey is individual. You have your own journey, you have your own story. Like I said, maybe your story is to be an amazing dad to a future president. Maybe your story is to be an amazing, supportive husband to the CEO of a multi-million national company. Multinational, yeah, you know what I mean. Maybe your story is to be the person that helped that other person make it. We don't all have to be kings. Sometimes to serve, there's greater virtue in serving. I hope I'm really making sense. So just relax. Don't be depressed. Don't beat yourself down. Appreciate what little things you have. And when you look around social media and you tend to compare yourself with others, shut up the phone, shut up the internet, and just sit down, look at your family, look at the people that love you, look at the things that make you happy, and draw your joy and your happiness from those things. Do not compare yourself to anyone. You came here alone. Even twins don't come out at once. One come out, then the other one comes out. So relax, enjoy your life, eat the food that you love, make love, listen to good music, go for a dance, take a walk, pray, watch TV that makes you happy. And I hope that we will all just learn to relax and enjoy the moment and just enjoy life. Life is a gift, and I think God intended for us to just be happy and just enjoy life. Okay, so that's what I wanted to say about this today, and I've actually written a blog post about it on my blog. My blog is BWB Diary, BWBDIARY.com. I'll put it in the description box below. You can go on to my blog and read this article. It's called Grateful, and there are a lot of many other articles I have written on love and life and many other topics. You can check out my music, of course, on SoundCloud / Zakia Kunge, ZAKIAKUNGE. If you liked this video and it motivated you and made you feel better, send it to someone that you think would really would also benefit from this. Send it to someone, you could save someone's life, right? So let's share this video. Subscribe to my channel if you like my content, like this video if you like it, and I will see you around in my next video. Enjoy life. Have a good life. Mwah.